Hi, magandang araw. I'd like to share something. Alam mo ba na it's between 25 to 45,000 na tao ang hindi na gumising kanina umaga sa worldwide statistics. And alam mo, this life na meron ka ngayon, this morning, this day na meron ka ngayon is something to be thankful for. I know while you're watching this video, maybe you're pauwi na sa trabaho, the exhausting work na meron ka, ang study mo na napakahirap, paulit-ulit. Maybe pagising mo sa umaga, another day, another problem. Minsan ganun yung napapansin natin. Pero let's look na binigyan tayo ng panibagong araw ng Panginoon. Another day, another challenges, another journey. Alam mo, start the day or start your day or end your day with God. Kasi it's a blessing na ma-appreciate natin ang buhay. This life na meron tayo is something to be grateful for. Alam mo ba, the design of God para sa atin ay hindi para maghirap tayo. He designed everything na very good. At tulad na sinabi niya sa salita ng Panginoon, sa salita ng Diyos, sa Genesis chapter 1, verse 31, and God said, everything that He had made, and behold, it was very good. Diba? Nung ginawa ng Panginoon, ang langit at lupa, lahat, it was very good. He used, the Bible used the term very, talagang napakabuti. At ginamit ng isang good, sapagkat hindi niya sinabing napakaganda. Given na kasi yun default mode is maganda, pero yung mabuti, yun yung binigay sa atin ng Panginoon. Lahat ng pangailangan natin, andyan na. At ilapit lang natin sa Panginoon. Upang let Him be in control. Hayaan ang Panginoon ang maging in control upang patuloy na siya ang kumilos sa iyong buhay. To lead you on a better life, to lead you to appreciate this life, to lead you to live a good life. And that good life is when you have God in your life. So yun lang, it's a reminder for you and for me na let's be thankful for everything that we have, especially this life that we have right now. This morning, na nagising tayo. And this afternoon, na matagumpay natin na paglabanan na maghapon. So yun lang, God bless.